representing the Realme Narzo 50. It comes in color options of Speed Blue and Speed Black. The phone has display of 6.6 inch. The phone also has 120 Hz high refresh rate. It has 50 MP plus 2 MP plus 2 MP rear camera. It has 16 MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery. It has 64 GB ROM and expandable up to 256 GB. 4 GB RAM and expandable memory up to 256 GB. It is powered by up to 2.05 GHz clock speed and MediaTek Helio G96 Octa-core processor. It also features 50 MP AI triple camera, 6.6-inch Full HD++ display with 120 Hz. The delivery box contains handset. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.